Hello everyone. Today we'll discuss about the procedure nasogastric tube insertion. The equipment required for nasogastric tube insertion is you need a appropriate size NG tube, you need a stethoscope, you need sterile gauze pieces, a 50 ml syringe, sterile surgical gloves, a lubricant generally lignocaine and a kidney tray. The procedure starts with washing of hands. You have to introduce yourself and confirm the patient details. Then we explain the patient about the examination and we obtain the consent. Always request a chaperone to help you with the insertion procedure. Perform a general inspection of the patient and gather the equipment required. To measure the appropriate insertion distance, we have to measure the distance from the tip of the nose to the earlobe and add it to the distance between the xiphoid process of sternum and the tip of the nose. Position the patient in a sitting position, or if the patient is comatose, in a semi-Fowler's position. Before inserting the tube, adequately lubricate the tube with lignocaine jelly. Gently insert the tube through the nostril to the back of the throat and then ask the patient to flex the head towards the chest after the tube has passed through the nasopharynx. Tell the patient to mouth breathe and swallow during the procedure. Listen for air exchange from the tube. If air is heard, remove the tube. Advance the tube each time the client swallows. Flush the tube with 30 ml of air. Hear a sound of air rush through the stethoscope placed over the epigastrium. And finally secure the tube with tape or commercial device. Hello everyone, today we will demonstrate the procedure of NG tube insertion on a mannequin. Before we start the procedure, we have to collect all the equipment which is necessary for the above said procedure. The equipment required includes NG tube of appropriate size. As you can see in the video, we have shown 3 NG tubes of different colors, a green, a orange and a yellow NG tube, and all have different sizes. The other equipment which is required is a pack of sterile gauze pieces, a 50 ml syringe, a lubricant, generally we use lignocaine jelly, a kidney tray, stethoscope to confirm the position of the NG tube. Now we will show you the parts of the NG tube. So this is a green colored NG tube and it has different markings on the tube. The end which is shown in the video now is the insertion end. So whenever we start the procedure, you have to explain the patient about the procedure and you have to take the consent. We have to adequately lubricate the insertion end of the NG tube with lignocaine jelly and we position the patient either in supine position or in a semi-Fowler's position. After adequate lubrication, we advance the NG tube through the external nares. After each swallow, the tube is advanced. We also decide the length of tube which has to be inserted by adding the distance between the tip of the nose and the earlobe and the tip of the nose to the xiphoid sternum. After the NG tube has been inserted, we confirm the position by inflating the syringe and inflating the NG tube with around 30 ml of air, and we place the stethoscope on the epigastrium and we confirm the position by hearing the puff of air in the epigastrium. After the confirmation of NG tube insertion, we fix the tube by either a commercial device which are available, or we use a elastoplast. This step is also very important. The elastoplast should not be very tight to prevent any skin necrosis.